On this episode, the Cressida is back after being parked under a tree. Again. I started this interior by removing the seats to get a better idea of the decades of filth hiding underneath. After removing the larger rubbish by hand, I begin the satisfying task of vacuuming the extremely plush carpet. And, on a side note, how awesome are the homemade floor mats? Because the carpet is such a high pile, and being 40 years old, the fibres tend to fray significantly. Using my lily brush, I can quickly gather and vacuum any loose fibres and fluff. The camera didn't pick it up very well, but the suede seats were super dusty, and being suede, everything stuck to them. I started the extraction using orange agent, as it is a pH balanced citrus based cleaner. I used my softest drill brush as well, as I was unsure how delicate the suede would be. Feeling comfortable with the integrity of the material, I stepped up the cleaning power by using APC instead of orange agent. This worked much better as it created less suds and cleaned quicker, requiring less passes with the extractor. I repeated the same process on the interior carpets, swapping to the stiffer drill brush for deeper agitation in the super thick carpets. This area of carpet was a real challenge to get to an acceptable level. As you can see, I had to take multiple passes to get it to a decent standard. There was so much sand embedded deep in the fibre of the carpet. After doing this car, I badly want to invest in a steam vacuum, so if anyone wants to donate $8,000 to me, that would be greatly appreciated. Under the passenger seat there was some chewing gum. A 10-second blast of the steamer was all that was needed to remove it entirely. The lightly soiled interior received leather cleaner and steam where necessary. This also left a nice reconditioned finish on the vinyl and leather trims. For the heavier grime and trim pieces, I used APC and heavy agitation, followed by the blast of the steamer, achieving as perfect of a finish as the material would allow. The wheels were cleaned with Wheeler Clean, while the tyres soaked in a high concentration of APC. Watch them turn brown as all the dirt is broken down. I pre-rinsed the car with APC first and then snow drop over the top to easily eat through the month's worth of grime and build-up on the paint. I gave the car a thorough hand wash using a 2-bucket method. Unfortunately, my footage can only be sped up 10 times before it starts to distort, so this time lapse is going to be a really long one. After washing the car, I decontaminate the paint using a clay rubber and Bowden's own 3-way. Given this was done 12 months ago, the paint wasn't too bad. Look at the comparison between the unpolished exhaust tip on the left and the polished one on the right. Thank you for watching the return of the Cressida. If you've enjoyed this transformation, please hit the like button, let me know in the comments and subscribe to see more of what we get up to on K&L Detailing.